Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandra. In today's video I'm going to try a little experiment using the Ninja FOODI grill. And I've seen these videos on TikTok and different places where they take the Texas toast and they put a little bit of pizza sauce and mozzarella cheese and then bake it in the oven to make like little Texas toast pizzas. So I'm going to take a spin off of that ideal using the Ninja FOODI instead of the oven, and I'm going to make some spinach Alfredo garlic toast pizzas. So I'm really hoping that this will turn out good. So let's just go ahead and jump right in and get the video started without wasting any further time. So to start out, I have some garlic toast that I got at the grocery store. This is still frozen. I'm just going to separate it and lay it out on my cutting board. Next, I have a jar of this white Alfredo sauce, and I'm just going to take a spoon and put a little bit and spread it out on each piece of toast. And next I'm going to add some grated Parmesan cheese, the powdery kind. I'm sure if you had fresh grated it would be probably better. But this does good. This is fine. I'm just going to sprinkle that over top of the Alfredo sauce on each one of these. There we go. So next I have some leaf spinach, and I'm just going to place a few leaves on each piece of the toast. I'm going to tear the stems off of these as I go. Okay, for my next step, I'm just going to put a little bit of shredded mozzarella cheese on top of each one of these, and that's going to help hold down my spinach leaves, hopefully. Okay, now I'm going to take you over to the Ninja FOODI and we'll pick up from there. So I'm going to raise the lid on my Ninja FOODI, and I'm going to be using my griddle pan to do these. I'm going to lower the lid. Okay, I'm going to press the power button to get our Ninja FOODI started, and I'm going to turn the selection dial over to the barbecue griddle setting. And I'm going to leave it set to the defaults, and I'm going to click this middle button to start the preheat. So once it's preheated, I'll bring you back then. So my Ninja FOODI is preheated, so next I'm just going to start laying my pieces of Texas toast on top of my griddle. So I have 4 slices of the Texas toast put on the griddle. So I'm just going to allow those to sit there, leave the lid up, and allow these to continue to cook until the bottoms look nice and crispy and browned. So my next step is I'm just going to lower my lid and allow the heat to come from the top and to melt that cheese down. And I'll just kind of keep a watch on them. I don't know how long it's going to take to get them the way I want them, but I'll just peek on them from time to time. Oh, that looks perfect. I lost one of my spinach leaves. I see it up there on the top. Let me see if I get some tongs to get that off. Oh, it's crispy. There we go. All right. So I'm going to remove these to a plate. And I'm going to repeat those same steps for the other 4 pieces of toast. Well, everyone, I'm getting ready to cut into this and try it out and see how it tastes. My son's done chomped into one, and he says it's delicious. He picked up one and ate it before he really knew what it was. Said, "Mom, what is this? It's delicious." And then he proceeded to take pictures and send to his coworkers to torment them.
Make them jealous.
Make them jealous. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try now for myself. Can you go turn the heater on? Mm-hmm.
It's good.
Yeah, it is really good. Delicious.
As simple as they are, it's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine putting chicken on it.
I thought about that.
Oh, cube chicken.
Mm-hmm. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, guys. Until next time, bye.